again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down and it is my favorite time of year, Nordstrom anniversary sale. Love it. If you haven't seen it, yesterday I put up a video going through my catalog recommendations, and then I went in store to a store that I'm not familiar with. It's a store that I've never been to before. They didn't have a lot of stuff that I was looking for, like a lot of stuff I was looking for. But they had some things, and they had some in certain colors, not the colors I wanted, so I could try things on. I did pick up some things I tried on, and I'm going to order because they didn't have it in the right color, in the right size combination, so on and so forth. But I did take some photos, and I put some notes in to you guys. I am going to show you this real fast. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Pretty Pink Lipstick Duo. It is normally, would be a $90 value for $60. I haven't tried it yet, but it's 2 lipsticks and 1 lip liner that's like their best known lip liner. I think it's called like Pillow Talk lip liner, I think it is. But I'm excited to play with this. I only have 1 Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, not sure why. So I'm gonna jump right into everything, and then at the end I will show you guys what I got for MJ.
The first thing I picked up is a pair of Nike Free Trainer running shoes. They're super comfy. They run true to size. I did get them in a 9. I'm typically an 8.5 or 9. They come in 2 different colors, and they slip on with no tongue. On sale for $74.90, regularly $100. Then I picked up an Adidas Active Icon tights. They're super stretchy. They have these really cool 3 Adidas lines going down the side of them. They run true to size, and they're on sale for $29.90. After the sale, they're $40. So a good deal on them, and they're super cute and comfy too. Can't beat a good pair of leggings. Next pair of leggings I got were the Zella side zip ankle leggings. They're super stretchy. They're like a burgundy and black color. They do have some peek through pieces right on the back there. I did buy them in a size medium, and they have this really cool zip detail on the side. I don't think I'll wear them unzipped, but I think it's a really cool little detail that makes them look cute and different and really comfortable. On sale for $49.90 and normally $75. Then I put a pair of these Wit and Wisdom Absolution jeans that everyone talks about. They're super soft, super stretchy. They run true to size. They come in 2 different colors. I decided to go with the regular dark wash. They're on sale for $44.90. What a great deal. And after sale, they're $68. I just love them. Then I picked up this Halogen ruffle neck sweater. If you saw my other video, I thought I wasn't going to like this, but I really loved it. It is so soft and comfy. It is oversized, so make sure you size down. I actually went all the way down to a medium. It does come in 4 different colors, and that is why I decided to go with the gray versus the green. They also had a bright blue that I had considered, but I just really liked this gray. So it's on sale for $49.90, and after the sale, it will be up to $79 for regular pricing. I saw this top when I was walking by it, and it's a cast-on ribbed thermal Henley. It's super soft. It had this really nice, comfortable feel to it. It has the side slit, which I love because I can just tuck the front in and leave the back out. It does run true to size. I got it in a medium. My lighting is really bad, so I'm sorry you're seeing my bra right there. It is $39.90, and after the sale, it will be $59. On to Barefoot Dreams cardigans. This is the circle cardigan. It is super soft. It can be worn out, like it's not just for, at home and casual around the house. You can actually wear it out, which is really nice. It does come in 4 other colors. This is one of those must-have items. If you haven't purchased one before, get one now. It's $76.90. After the sale, it'll be $116. Now, they do have a new Barefoot Dreams. It's called the Cozy Chic. It's more of a fluffy type of sweater. It definitely looks like something you would just wear in the house. I don't think I would really wear this out, maybe to the bus stop. It does run true to size, comes in 4 colors. It's $88.90 right now, normally $134. Then this random one that I chose is the BlankNYC New Savvy Meant to Be Moto. It runs a little bit tight, so I did size up. I went up to a large. It's super soft and comfy. It has these great gold zipper details. Plus, it has a hoodie that actually buttons into the top around the back of the neck, and it can be removed or kept on. This is on sale for $64.90, guys. It's normally $98, and I just absolutely love it. It was one of those things that I hadn't really planned on picking up, and I walked by, and it just really caught my eye. You guys know I haven't loved my moto jackets thus far, but this one is a definite must-have for me. Now I'm going to talk about I have no idea how to say this. It's that faux shearling coat that everyone is talking about. I love the look of this. Now it does run large. It's oversized, so size down, and it comes in 2 colors. I want the whiskey color, so that is why I did not purchase this one today, but it is on sale for $129, and after the sale, it'll be $199. Then I did try on the Badgley Mischa double wrap wool blend coat. It runs true to size. It comes in 3 colors. It's on sale for $229, normally $349. I just don't need it. Then this Rails Collins military jacket. I really, really wanted this. It's shorter than I expected. It's very soft and runs true to size. It's on sale for $149.90, normally $228. So it's a really great deal. I just couldn't validate buying it. I have other things that are similar. Then this Halogen removable sleeve sweater. So I went in and tried it on. This is a little video clip. It does zip out. I don't think I would ever unzip it. I really loved it. The zippers are heavy though, and I just wasn't sure if I needed it. It's on sale for $78.90, and after sale it'll be $119. I'm trying to decide if I will purchase this one or not. I actually love the black in it. Then these Vince Camuto booties. These run true to size. They came in 3 colors. They're on sale for $99.90, and after the sale will be $149.95. These are going to go fast. Then the Vince Camuto booties. I really wanted to love these. It runs small, so size up at least a half size, if not a full size. It does come in 4 colors. They're on sale for $99.90, and after the sale, they'll be $149.95. They have a super cool heel that is different. I just wanted to love them, but didn't. Then I saw these Sam Edelman booties. Now, these I found in a store. I haven't seen them online yet. I love the blue in these. They remind me a little bit of the Rag & Bones from a while ago. They are on sale for $99.90, and after the sale, they'll be $169.95. So if you're interested, definitely go grab those now. They may come in even more colors than what I saw here, but since it was in store, that was all I saw. Then these UGG Annie boots. I really wanted to like them, but in person, I didn't love them as much. They do run a little bit big. They do come in 2 colors, and they are $109.90, and after the sale, it'll be $169.95. I would say to size down about a half size in these. Then the UGG PAX wedge booty. Again, I wanted to love this. It was way darker in person. I just didn't love them. I actually didn't even bother to try them on. They do come in a black as well, and they're on sale for $129.90, and after the sale, they'll be $199.95. So it's a good deal. Then last thing, I just wanted to show you all the Barefoot Dreams. They do have 3 types that I found available. They come in a bunch of different colors. They have the hooded one, the circle one, and the cozy one. They range from $76.90 to $88.90 on sale, and normally $116 to $134. This is a must-have purchase of the sale. I get one every single year, and I love them every single time. So it is a must-have from me.
I do want to mention to you guys that these are the Vince Camuto booties from last year that I have, and I brought them with me. I love them. They do have a similar option this year, except for one side is closed off, so it's open on one side and the other side is closed off. These were a hot ticket item, so if you're interested in these, go jump out and get them. Then I'm going to show you some things I got for MJ. So the first thing, and when we walked in the store, we walked in through the kids section, Jay saw this shirt and he was like, Mom, can I get that? So this is a cute shirt. I love this brand. It's Treasure and Bond, or no, I do that all the time. It's Tucker and Tate, and I always think of Treasure and Bond because that's a brand I use. It's normally $19. It was $11.90. It's just a cute little taco skating. Super cute. He's over here dancing because he likes it. Then when he was there, he picked out another shirt. It's a little ice cream cone with an umbrella. It's cute. It's raining sprinkles, and it has the darker sleeves. Again, another one that's normally $19 on sale for $11.90. We got these in a size 6. He's between a size 6 and 7. Pants, he's a 7. Shirts, he's a 6. He's down here getting his shirts out. Then another thing that we saw, and both he and I liked, and this is from Tucker and Tate. It's a super cute like vest / sweatshirt, hoodie, super comfy, perfect for the fall, perfect for school, for those in-between days where he doesn't quite need a jacket yet. We did get a size 7 in this because in a jacket, I would rather it be a little bit bigger and he have room to grow into it. Plus, since it's a sweatshirt, we could always roll the sleeves up, but it fit him fine. Last thing we picked up for MJ, and I am going to be placing an order for him for jeans because they did not have any jeans in store for him. We picked up a pair of Nike sneakers. These are called, let's see what the actual name is, Nike Flex Contact. We bought it in a size 12, so we sized up. Right now he wears an 11 and a half. And so we picked up the size 12, so it'll be ready for him in the fall. I'm not gonna let him wear these until it is school time. I like these for school because in school they have to have either tie shoes or they can't just have Velcro shoes. They have to have a tie with the Velcro, so this is a perfect combination. These are super cute, just really basic, but great with the gray. It has a stripe of blue and yellow in the back, but they're super cute. That is everything that we picked up in store. I have already gone online last night at 3 in the morning my time and placed my order. I actually placed 2 orders and I expedited shipping, so I should have the majority of it Friday. I'm hoping to tape a video possibly Saturday, but it's probably gonna be Monday because it's the weekend and around here weekends are a little bit crazy. So I may get that up on the weekend, I might not. It might not be up till Monday. If you are early access, then you can get into the sale right now. If you are not a Nordstrom card holder, you can get a Nordstrom Visa, a Nordstrom card, or a Nordstrom debit card still now, today, and still have access to the pre-sale. And I suggest doing that because these things sell out fast, fast, fast. Like, it's crazy how fast they sell out. Also, if you sign up for one of those cards now, you get a $40 Nordstrom note to use the day that you signed up. So that's $40 off whatever you plan on ordering. So it's totally worth it. It's really awesome. Ever since I did that, I was like, why did I not have this card before then? So you can do it whichever way is more comfortable for you. I will put a link to that below. But if you are interested in any of this stuff and you are not an early access card holder, trust me, you will love it and you'll be so glad you did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you like how I do these videos. I do this for Nordstrom anniversary sale where I show the item on and I do a slide in. The next one, I think I'm gonna find a slide in that has a bigger font. I felt like this one was a little bit small, but I didn't have the time to get a new one. But I like the concept of the slide in with the voiceover telling you a little bit about it. And we might go into a little bit more detail with the next set, how it fits, things like that. These ones I kind of had already gone on through. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, go follow my Instagram stories because as I get things I'm gonna be trying them on, showing them there, showing the links, doing the swipe up, all that good fun stuff. So my stories are where it's at for all of this good information in real time. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.